Ayan mga beshi. And then, patola. Ayan. Then, put some water. Ayan mga beshi. Ayan, patola with miswa. Minced pork and some oil. Water. The last is miswa. Ayan na mga guys. O, luto na. With miswa. O, patola with miswa. Ayan. Tapos, some shrimps. Ayan. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.